The keto diet is an amazing diet to help you lose weight fast and achieve your weight loss goal. However, there's a major downside to starting the keto diet, and that is the keto flu. Hey guys, welcome back to the KetoBlessed channel. On this channel, we provide you with tips and up-to-date information to help you master the keto diet and achieve your health and fitness goals. So if you're interested in achieving your best body with the keto diet, make sure you subscribe to our channel and let us help you to reach your keto goals. That said, let's get back to today's topic. What is the keto flu and how to avoid it or beat it altogether? There are a number of people who refuse to try the keto diet because they get scared when they hear about the possibility of getting the keto flu. Now if you're one such person, I'm here to tell you that there's nothing to worry about. In fact, the keto flu is not really the same flu as you get from the influenza virus. The keto flu is actually feeling the symptoms of withdrawal from carbohydrates in your diet. Your body goes through metabolic and hormonal changes when it switches from burning glucose to burning fat for energy. It is also important to note that the keto flu has nothing to do with being in the state of ketosis. The flu is just a byproduct of switching the body's main energy source from sugar or glycogen to ketones. So the symptoms come on pretty much the same way as withdrawal from alcohol or drugs. In simple terms, burning fat as your primary energy source is a new process for your body, and it will try to get you to stop and return to what it is accustomed to. In essence, your body is trying to get you back to its comfort zone. That said, the keto flu symptoms can be identical to the flu symptoms that you get from the influenza virus to some extent, which is why it is commonly called keto flu. Some of these keto flu symptoms may include nausea, vomiting, constipation, diarrhea, headache, irritability, weakness, muscle cramps, and more. Now on the surface, these symptoms may be very scary and may deter you from trying to get started with the keto diet. However, truth be told, you have nothing much to worry about. The keto flu symptoms may only last 2 to 3 days or up to a week at most for most people. The main reason why you may experience the keto flu is because when you begin to restrict carbs from your diet, the kidneys switch from retaining sodium and salts to rapidly excreting it along with excess water in your body. With that said, I'm going to share a few tips on how to help you avoid the keto flu altogether or reduce the symptoms if you do experience any of them. By the way, if you're new to the ketogenic diet and you need a complete step-by-step walkthrough on how to get started, check out the links in the description to our beginner's guide to the ketogenic diet. It is a step-by-step online course that will give you everything you need to succeed with keto starting from day one. Now let's get back to ways to avoid or beat the keto flu. Tip number 1. Start reducing your carbohydrates slowly. I know it can be tempting to drop your carb to under 20 grams right away in an effort to get into ketosis fast. However, when you cut your carbs so fast, it will make things really difficult for your body. Having been using sugar or glucose for energy, it will take some time for your body to become fat adapted and start burning fats for energy. This immediate transition is what causes the withdrawal symptoms. To avoid these symptoms, it is important that you gradually reduce your carbohydrates over time instead of all at once. This will give your body some time to adapt to your new diet and lifestyle. And tip number 2, drink a lot of water. The keto diet is like a diuretic expelling water from your body. In order to combat this, you need to drink a lot of water on a daily basis. I always recommend at least 1 gallon of water per day, but I know some people will find that very difficult to achieve. So my recommendation is that you keep a bottle of water with you at all times and just take a sip every couple of minutes. Just keep in mind that the more water you drink, the more frequent will be your trips to the restroom. And tip number 3, replenish your electrolytes. Here's the thing, when you lose a lot of water, you're also losing a lot of essential electrolytes such as magnesium, sodium, and potassium, which can lead to imbalances in your body. For example, some people may even experience heart palpitations when they are just getting started with the keto diet. It is therefore very important to replenish your lost electrolytes to ensure that your body is running at its best while at the same time reducing or avoiding the keto flu. When you sign up for my beginner's guide to the ketogenic diet, you will also get a complete supplemental guide with the brand of electrolytes and other supplements that I take and recommend. Now tip number 4, increase your fat intake. When you're just starting out with the keto diet, it can be intimidating to start eating a lot of fats. Coming from traditional diets, you may be subconsciously avoiding fats because of what you're accustomed to. However, Keep in mind that healthy fats are your best friend on the keto diet, especially MCTs. MCTs stand for medium chain triglycerides, which are a type of saturated fat that goes straight to the liver after digestion. Once they're in the liver, they can be converted to ketones and used as fuel. As a result, your body will become more fat adapted, helping you to avoid and beat the keto flu as fast as possible. And tip number 5, you need to get adequate rest. Your body is transitioning to a new metabolic state, which can cause you to feel drained. So you can use this opportunity to get some rest, as that is when your body will be able to repair and heal itself. Resting also helps to reduce cortisol or stress levels and improve your sense of well-being. My recommendation is to try and get at least 8 hours of sleep every night at minimum, or as much as possible. So there you have it, guys, 5 tips to avoid or beat the keto flu. Now if you want a complete training on how to start the keto diet and succeed at it, check out the links in the description for our complete beginner's guide to the ketogenic diet. That said, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to avoid or beat the keto flu. If you did enjoy it, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are a new channel in the keto space and we'd love for you to help us to grow. So thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.